This is my doorbell. Let me show you how to operate it. Hey guys, it's snowing again in Virginia. Alright, so we don't have a doorbell because that broke. Oh shit. Alright, so you come in the house like a little motherfucker. Lock your schleg doorknob. This thing has been dead for quite some time. Doesn't work. And here's how they stop it from, so it knows when they open it. This magnet. Piece of shit ADT alarm system. My grandma had one of these. They were pretty shitty. So here's how you work my doorbell. Oh yeah, I have it taped around so it doesn't make a loud noise. So here's what it should sound like. Here. And don't touch it to this, because and that is how you work my doorbell. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and comment.